Why should I send the freeze letters to secondary bureaus? Secondary bureaus feed information to the main bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. And by freezing those secondary bureaus, you prevent them from sending this information to the main bureaus. Therefore, when derogatory items can be verified, they should be deleted by law. Your credit money machine software automatically creates all these important freeze letters with one click, as you can see on screen. In this case, the freeze letters created were Microbill, LexisNexis, LCI, Innovis, Factor Trust, DataX, CoreLogic, Teletrack, Check Systems, and Clarity Services. Thank you. For more information, please go to www.creditmoneymachine.com. Thank you.